Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor. I come here every day to teach you, to guide you in your yoga journeys. To all the new practitioners who've just joined Times Health Plus, welcome. I hope you're all doing well. Even if you're not, don't worry because after class you will definitely feel energized and better. Without any further delay, we will begin our today's practice. For that, let's go back on our mats. We will sit comfortably. यहाँ से हमें दोनों legs को इस तरीके से drop करना है, almost making a 90 degree angle. Okay, if this is too much for you, you can close the legs. You can make it easy. Or if possible, you can keep the legs out. Keeping the hands on your waist, कमर पे हाथ रखते हुए, you will just circle left, front, right and back 3 times clockwise, 3 times anti-clockwise. Let's practice it together. अगर ये आपके लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है, आप हाथों को नीचे रखकर सपोर्ट के साथ इसे प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. Okay? We go slowly. 1. Very slowly. Okay? Take your time. 2. Beautiful. 3. And we reverse. 3. Nice and slow. 2. Advanced practitioners, आप चाहें तो आप इस सर्कल को बड़ा कर सकते हैं. You can go all the way right, down, left and back. Amazing everyone. Now we'll slowly switch on the other side. We'll do the same thing on the left, 90-90. Hands on the waist or on the floor as per your choice, and you go circle. And we go circle. And we go circle. Good job. Let's reverse. 3, 2. Notice how this movement is giving you a little trouble in the hips, but it's for the good. It's going to get better eventually. Okay? And relax. Rest, breathe. Amazing. All of this is mobility work. Okay? So आज की क्लास में हम asanas ना करते हुए we are actually trying to do the opposite. We are trying to give movement to the body, which is equally important to take care of your hips. So there is enough blood flow, there is enough oxygen going to your muscles, and the bones and the joints are also lubricated. Okay? Rest and watch the next movement. This is going to be fun. For most of you, this could be a new movement, a new exercise, but we'll try to have fun here, okay? We will again go in this 90-90 position. एक बार मुझे देख लीजिए ध्यान से. Advanced practitioners, you will keep your hands on your waist. Beginners or people who find this difficult, you can just keep your hands back like this. You can take the floor's support. We are working with front leg lifts. So you will keep your hands back, you will lift and down. Just this, okay? Lift the leg and down. So we are really using our external rotators, our hip muscles to lift the leg and back. 10 times on the right, 10 times on the left. Advanced practitioners, you will try to not lean back so much. You will stay here and still lift the leg using the hip strength. Okay, everyone, let's begin. 1 deep breath. And we go. Lift, down slowly, okay? 2, down. 3, down. 4, down. 5, down. 6, continue. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लगता है, आप हाथ का सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं. You can make the practice easy for you. 9, last 10. Amazing. Good job. Let's switch on the other side. We again drop on the left. We can keep our hands back. We can adjust. See what suits you. 3, 2, 1 and let's do 10. Slowly. 9, 8. फुट और नी को साथ में ऊपर उठाना है. 7, 6. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and relax. Rest, take a short break, breathe. For all the people having any kind of hip problem or back problem, or if you feel your posture is not the best, remember your hips and your back are connected. Okay, so if there's any tightness or lack of strength in any particular part of the hip, that will reflect in your back, in how you're experiencing any kind of back pain or any postural problems. Remember, everything is connected in the body. So अगर आपको लगता है आपका posture is slouched or you constantly have lower back pain, chances are that it's not just your lower back, that the problem is not in the lower back itself. It could be in the hips also. Okay, which is why all of this practice, all of this strengthening is extremely important to the body. Especially as we age, our muscles and joints experience wear and tear. Okay, they get weak eventually, and we can't help it. But what we can do is we can strengthen, we can mobilize, we can do yoga, we can energize our whole body to make the practice easy and to make our experience better. Let's watch the second exercise. Something like this, everyone. Watch. Same thing except that now you're picking up the back leg. So हम हाथों को इस तरीके से आगे रखेंगे and you will try to pick up the back leg and up. Okay, 2 and down. Again, advanced practitioners, you can do it by keeping your hands on your waist. You pick and back. Let's try, everyone. We'll do 10 on the right. Ready? Let's go. Up and down. 2 and down. अगर आपको लगता है आपके हाथ नीचे टच नहीं होते हैं, you can use a block like this. Okay? 4, 5, 6, nice and slow. 7, 8, 9, last 10. Good job. Let's switch other side. We drop both legs. And again, we'll start working with the back leg. You can keep your hands on the block if you wish. You give me up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job, everyone. Keep going. 7, 8, 9, last 10. And everyone, relax, breathe, rest. You can just hug your knees, you take a short break, relax, breathe. Last but not the least, everyone, make sure to join Times Health Plus community on Instagram, on YouTube, so you're not missing out on any updates, on any reels, posts that we are posting for you guys, so you can practice off the mat also. I will now sign off. I will see you next class with the same spirit, with the same energy. Till then, keep your posture up, keep a smile on your face, and stay grateful always. Thank you so much, everyone. Namaste.